वेयरिंग अ मास्क ताकि इन 50% लोगों को याद आए कि कोविड अभी तक गया नहीं है. No, but seriously, wear masks if you want to fucking live. Right, let me get this mask off real quick. Hello, hello, hello. Why are we here? Guys, like, why are we here today? Because I want to be successful. Okay, I don't know about you, but I want to be extremely, highly, very successful. Okay, and what better place to go for to find tips than Instagram, because everything on Instagram is real, everything. So I found this page called @success_tips. Okay, they have like 693,000 subscribers, so I'm guessing it's some nice tips. Okay, yeah, it says business motivation money. Motivational speaker. Who's speaking? Helping you become the best version of yourself. Want success? Then follow us. So they're really guaranteeing success. Okay, let's see. Let's go on to the post. A great relationship is about accepting similarities and working on differences. The quote is okay. I'll give it to them. The quote is cool, even though I have no idea how is it going to make me successful. But okay, look at the art. Like, the art is so weird. Why is there an animal falling in the rain? And why are there like eyebrows and eyelashes falling? And then there's makeup products, then there's a vehicle, and then all sorts of shit. Why? What do these falling elements represent, and where are they falling from? What does this mean? And it's like they're building each other up, as if when you get into a relationship you're like not human. What, you don't exist already when you get into a relationship, or what? Okay, maybe I'm overanalyzing. Okay, maybe it's just a post, it happens. Let's look at other posts. PUBG and TV won't get you this car. Ooh, it's aggressive. PUBG and TV won't get you this car. Okay, did you understand? Huh, you daft dimbo? Do you understand? PUBG and TV will not get you this car. What about people who are like playing PUBG professionally? I tried to find some legit source about their earnings, but I couldn't. वो फर्जी वाले videos ही मिले मुझे. But I'm pretty sure they make a lot of money, because even the equipment they use for like streaming, even live streaming, it's like expensive to say the least. And what about people who own like TV companies and stuff and like sell TV for a living? Like, I mean, it's not about PUBG and TVs, right? I mean, I understand what they're going for. Ki, oh, you're wasting your time, that will take you nowhere. But it's like very specific. Like, all you want in your life is this car, and only PUBG and TV are the two things that are refraining you from getting it. More like, stop wasting your time on PUBG and TV, or like, you shouldn't waste your time or something around that. But it's like, no, PUBG and TV will not get you this car, only this car. Other cars you can get. Next one. I'll be rich one day and I know it. Type yes if you believe. Why would I believe that you will be rich? Is this account trying to befriend me? Okay, I'm friends with success tips now, guys. To have a friend. Let me type yes. Oh, it's about me being rich. So they don't want to be friends. I knew it. Nobody wants to be friends only. Benny! It's a weird picture. I don't react, but trust me, I notice everything. And I still don't know how this personality trait is a tip for success, but who am I? Okay, next. Once I was rejected by my looks, now I am accepted by my status. Now, I am not a grammar Nazi, but I'm pretty sure they meant to write that I was rejected for my looks. But like, if this is like correct grammar, then it just means like their own looks rejected them. मतलब इतना अगली हूँ मैं कि मुझे मेरी अगलीनेस ही बोल देती है हट हट. It's funny. It's like funny. Like, imagine if your appearance could talk to you. फिर सबको पता होता कि सब सुंदर हैं. Okay, next. I may hide my results, but my toys will not. Okay. But like, why would you want to hide your results? Like, मेहनत की है ना. मेहनत कर रहे थे ना अभी तो इतनी बनाने के लिए, तो फिर छुपाना क्यों है? दिखाओ. No, I don't understand. Is it not something that should be bragged? Like, shouldn't we brag our results? Like, shouldn't we brag that we have money? Is this like a tip to like keep it all private once you get successful, or like you could like get killed or something? Is it like, oh, I'm successful now, nobody can know it? Oh no, I forgot to hide my big ass toys. Now everybody is going to know. I don't know, it's just weird to me that I may hide my results. No, I will not. No, I'm not, absolutely not going to hide my results. Shut up. I have to be successful because I have expensive taste. I agree. Same. I have expensive taste. Like, even I eat items with like brand names on them. I love how to establish expensive taste they have used brand names like Rolex, Gucci and Lamborghini, the brands that are not even remotely close to food. I only eat food with brand names on top of it, even if the brand has nothing to do with food whatsoever. That's all I eat. I can't eat vegetables because they're not expensive taste. They don't have brand names on top of them. And I also can't drink water. I'm gonna die. Send help. Okay, let's look at the next one. Oh my god, my man, you need to chill out. What even is this picture? Why is there a little child and the horrendous animal here? What is this? Am I the only one who's uncomfortable? None of their hashtags represent this picture. None of it. This is not business, entrepreneurship, billionaire mindset, and it is definitely not positive. There is a bloody humongous animal and a child in the same picture. What is positive about this? Let's move on from this one real quick. Oh my god, again, my man, you need to calm the fuck down. What is this picture? This is disturbing on so many levels. And how is this even relevant? How is a human lion hybrid, which is not even possibly real, dripping with blood, wearing a boxing gear, relevant to self-respect? What the actual fuck? And what type of success is this? I am not okay. I am uncomfortable. And on that note, we'll continue. Okay, so there is this different account. It's called trillionairemindset.ig. They don't really have much followers as of now. They still have more followers than me. Guys, come on, please follow me on Instagram. What are you even doing? I'll say that they have a pretty decent bio, except for followers for free. I mean, as if we have to pay for following other pages. Of course it's free. It's Instagram. That's the only good thing about Instagram, that it's free. Okay, let's go to the posts. My teacher always said I will never get a job. He was right. I built my own empire. Bitches. But like, this just looks like a very personal encounter. My teacher always said that I won't get a job. Always. That's not once. Always. That's the only thing he said in his life. Also, he's a he, not a she. He's a he because he's my teacher. I still have to appreciate the choice of background pictures. Definitely much more decent than success tips. Even though not original work, but we're not going to talk about that. This is Instagram. Okay, next. Forget Netflix and chill. Let's build an empire and chill. And there's a picture of Kylie Jenner, the then billionaire, or maybe not. Okay, but noted. Don't watch Netflix till you build your own empire. Okay? Don't you worry at the rate trillionaire mindset. I don't watch Netflix because I'm broke and cannot afford it. Today we learned that PUBG and TV will not get you this car. You shouldn't watch Netflix until you build an empire. Not even for a minute. Not even when you can afford it. Netflix, please don't cancel me. Your taste isn't expensive until there's brand names on top of it, and you cannot eat vegetables and you cannot drink water, you're gonna die soon. Okay guys, thank you for being by my side. I will meet you next time when I'm successful. Oh, and also by the time I post this, I think we'll reach like Pride month is going to start. So yay! Happy Pride! This is on my bucket list. I want to watch a pride parade, want to join a pride parade in my life. And COVID, fuck you COVID. Bye. Why am I laughing like that? Why am I laughing? What is he? Who laughs like he? Shut up, Himangi. Bye.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down? Yeah. No friends of mine